Hi, hello viewers. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you want to get more updates, subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see what is the benefit of using custom range in Excel. So what is the range? So you can see that the small grid lines are available. These are all the cells. But range, range it can be a single cell or multiple cell. Now if I am selecting this 4 cell, this is what the range. I am selecting this cells. This is what the range. I am selecting a single cell. This is also can be a range. So how do we create a range in Excel? First select the cells and then go to the name box, type in a range, salary. Once you added the range, it will be saved in the name manager. If you go to the formulas tab, under the name manager, your range will be available. In future, if you want to edit or amend the range, then you can simply click edit and then you can edit the ranges. And what is the benefit of using this range? You can easily navigate this range from anywhere. Say for example, if you are going to the name box, select your range. It will easily redirect your range wherever it is. I am adding a new sheet. From this sheet, I want to select a range. You can directly go to the name box and then select a range. So this way, we can easily navigate our ranges anywhere in our Excel workbook. So this is the first benefit of using a range. The next thing is, if I want to create a formula based on these cells, then I'll just add some formula and then open a bracket and then select some cells. Then close the bracket. If I'll copy this formula and paste it into somewhere else, my result is gone because whenever you are copying any formula and paste it into column wise or row wise, the formula references also will be moving according to your formula position. So that is the reason this reference is not a constant. So if you want to add these references as a constant, then rather than selecting a cells, I can add a range into the formula. Type in a word salary, then close bracket. So now if I'll copy this formula and paste it into anywhere, the formula result will not be changed. The next benefit is we can also create some dynamic drop down using the range. Say for example, we have a cars list and we have a bikes list. Now I am going to create a small drop down over here. Go to the data, select this data validation and then use a list. Now I am going to type in a word cars, comma, bike. Click OK. So now we have a list cars and bike. Now I want to create a one more drop down to use these lists. So before I am going to create a drop down, I will convert these cells into range. Select the cells and then go to the name box, type in a word cars and select these cells. Go to the name box, type in a word bike. Now I am going to create a dynamic drop down. Select this cell, go to the data, use this validation, and this time I am choosing list. Place your cursor and adding equal sign, type in a word indirect, open a bracket and select this cell, close bracket. Now if you click OK, automatically you will get a list of all the bikes. Now if I am changing my drop down into cars and if I select this drop down, then I'll have a list of cars. So this way we can create a dynamic drop down using named range. The next thing is you can also create a range in fastest way. Just select these cells and then go to that formula, and here we have a create from selection option. Just click on this option and make sure this option is enabled, because based on this top row only the name manager will be created. and then uncheck this one, click OK. So automatically every single column will be added. Now you can see that employee ID has been added, employee name has been added, gender has been added. So this way we can create multiple range in fastest way. Now we have added so many ranges in the name manager. Now if I just want to list down all the ranges which we have added in the workbook. So I'll select this cell, go to that use in formula, and then choose this option. Now click this option. Now you can see that all the ranges we have added in the workbook, it is listed down. That's it. These are all the list of benefits using range. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you on the next video.